In this video, I'll be going through with you this important scholarship that is currently open for those interested to pursue an online scholarship. So this means you can be at the comfort of your home, gain the scholarship and attend it from anywhere, as well as on-campus scholarship for those that will be interested to study at the university campus. This particular scholarship covers a whole lot for those that are going to be doing their online scholarship as well as the on-campus scholarship. It covers the full tuition fee as well as other perks. Walk you through step by step as well as sharing with you the important information you need to know regarding this particular scholarship.
Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
So this is the MasterCard Foundation Scholarship Program. This particular scholarship is offered by the University of Edinburgh in the United Kingdom. So there are two tiers of this scholarship. They have the on-campus postgraduate scholarship as well as the online postgraduate scholarship. So let's go through it one by one. For the on-campus scholarship, let's see all what it entails. So regarding the on-campus scholarship, it covers your full approved tuition fees. Accommodation will be provided, travel costs will be provided, living cost stipend and study materials, a climate leadership program to inspire and support scholars in making change in their community and countries. Additional support will be offered to scholars with disability based on assessment of needs. Let's have a look at the eligibility criteria. So for you to apply to this program, you should meet the following criteria. You have to go through to ensure that you meet this particular criteria stated here. Applicants must be residents and citizen or hold refugee status in a sub-Saharan African country. Applicants must have faced barrier to education and in their early career. Applicants must be 35 or under. Applicants must have graduated from an undergraduate study and must have a degree certificate and official final transcript to upload alongside their application latest by 8th of November 2024. So you can go through this, but particularly they mentioned that they welcome applications from female scholars, scholars from refugee and displaced backgrounds, and scholars with disability. So that means you have more chances if you're a female or you're a refugee or you're from a displaced background or you have a disability. And how do you submit your application? You must qualify academically for admission to the University of Edinburgh, and they require that applicants apply for this scholarship before applying to the university. Importantly, you must first of all apply for this particular scholarship first. Then after you get a scholarship, then you proceed to apply for that respective course at the University of Edinburgh. It mentions the program will not accept applications submitted outside the online application system. So everything should be done online. And currently the application is open. So the application for the 2025-2026 opened since the 1st of October 2024 and will be closing on the 8th of November 2024. So you can have a look at the timeline here. So this is the timeline for the application. You can take your time and go through it and read the selection process as well as the frequently asked questions. So once you're ready to submit your application, you click on apply for an on-campus postgraduate scholarship. And here you can see the portal where you submit your application. It says the MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program, the University of Edinburgh, application to 2025-2026 academic year. So this is the button for you to register if you have not registered. And here you can see the apply now button is activated. It's open from the 1st of October until the 8th November 2024. So you can take your time and read through this to understand everything about this particular scholarship. And if you want more information, you can click on questions about the program. If you need help, you can click on this link, and also for technical issues. Similarly, if you're interested in the online postgraduate scholarship, you simply click on the online postgraduate column. Here you can read through everything you need to know regarding the online scholarship learning. And here, for example, they have the online masters, the online postgraduate diploma. Applicants can apply either for online masters, which is part-time up to 3 years, or online postgraduate diploma, which is part-time for up to 2 years. And this is what the online scholarship covers. It covers your full approved tuition fees, so scholars will not pay for any part of their tuition fees at all. Academic stipend to allow for access to high internet access as well as for laptop. the opportunity to attend an in-person gathering, participation in activities as part of the wider climate leadership program at the University of Edinburgh, including regular online workshops, coaching, and support. You would also have access to a dedicated online coordinator, and additional support will be offered to scholars with disability based on your assessment of needs. And for you to be eligible, you simply click on the eligibility status. So here you can see the eligibility criteria for you, so you can take your time and go through it. But importantly, applicants must be 35 or under, and applicants must be resident and citizen or hold refugee status in a sub-Saharan African country. So basically, you can go through this and see if you're eligible for this particular program. And particularly, they welcome applications from female scholars, scholars from refugee and displaced backgrounds, scholars with disability. This is how to also submit the application. It's similar to the on-campus scholarship. So basically, you should first of all apply for the scholarship, and once you are selected for the scholarship, you will then go ahead and submit the particular application at the University of Edinburgh. And the application is also currently open since the 1st of October, and it will be closing on the 8th of November 2024. And these are the application timeline. You can take your time and go through this and see the process. And if you have more questions, you can click on their frequently asked questions. I will highly recommend that you click on it to go through some of the questions. And going through the frequently asked questions, one important question I would like to point out here is the programs that are offered for this particular scholarship. So it's not all programs that qualify for this scholarship. So regarding the online degree programs, these are the programs that are eligible for the scholarship in case you're applying for the online degree scholarship. This is the carbon management, international development, circular economy, global challenges, global food security and nutrition, One Health, social justice and community action, as well as sustainable lands and cities. So these are the programs that are eligible for the online degree scholarship. And regarding the on-campus postgraduate programs, these are the programs that are eligible for the scholarship. So they have the African and international development, climate change, finance and investment, data, inequality and society, entrepreneurship and innovation, food security, environment and development, environmental sustainability, operational research, planetary health, and sustainable energy system. So if you're interested in any of these programs for both the online and on-campus postgraduate program, so feel free to apply for the scholarship. Otherwise, any other program at the University of Edinburgh would not qualify for the scholarship. Another important question I'd like to point out is, what documents do I need to apply for this scholarship? Postgraduate entry. You need your final official university degree certificate and final official transcript. You will need to have this to upload this as part of the application, and you must do this before the deadline 8th of November 2024. Another important question is, do I need to take an English language test? And it says English language test results are not a requirement when applying for the MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program. However, depending on where you did your undergraduate studies, you may be required to undertake an English language test as part of the admission process to the University of Edinburgh. And once you are ready to submit your online postgraduate scholarship, you simply click on this link here. And then it brings you to the similar page for the on-campus scholarship. Then you click on apply, or you click on register if you have not registered before, and then you follow the instructions. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.